Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel Tech Talk with Alicia Nelson, and today on my Tech Talk I am going to show you how I download WhatsApp on my PC computer, which is my PC desktop or my laptop. So guys, you would have seen WhatsApp, but what I always do when I'm researching or when I'm looking for the right WhatsApp for my PC desktop or even for my laptop, I make sure it is compatible with the operating system. What that means is that if you're running a Windows 10, then ensure that the WhatsApp you're going to download is for Windows 10. If it's 64 bits operating system, ensure that it's Windows 10 64-bit operating system. If it is Windows 8, ensure that the WhatsApp you're downloading is for Windows 8 64-bit operating system. But seeing that my laptop here, it is for Windows 10 64-bit operating system, what I would do in my search, I would type WhatsApp. I would say free download for Windows 10 64-bit. What I would see, I want to get this software from WhatsApp because WhatsApp basically is responsible for their own WhatsApp software. So I would go onto the link. As you can see, you will see it was the same link here, and then after, if you did recognize too as well, you want to make sure it's for the right operating system. So you would see this is for Windows 10 Mac or even Windows 10 and higher, right? If anyone is confused. So as you can see here, I will go back to what I was saying there. If you were confused, so this download is for Mac operating system as well as for Windows 8 and higher. And seeing that mine is higher than Windows 8 is Windows 10, then this would be the preferred link to go to. So what I would do, I would see the download link here. I will click on download for Windows 10. In my case, and it'll be 64-bit. So what will happen here, it will be downloading as you can see, and you will look for this file to be completed. So guys, if you want to get this site, it is whatsapp.com/download in case you want to get it one time and you don't want to be going, because if you're searching you could find many sites, but the preferred site is whatsapp.com/download. I will leave all these information at the bottom of this video, and I hope guys that this was really helpful in terms of you all who need to get WhatsApp. Because the good thing with WhatsApp is if you need to send like links, like all this information, like you can also copy these and send it on your WhatsApp on your desktop or your laptop, or even take pictures from your PC, from your laptops, and be able to send it. It makes it so easy and flexible. It makes it really cool, and I would suggest a lot of people to have it on their desktop. So when the app is finished downloading, as you can see, you click open and it will be downloading. So look for the exe file. That is the setup file to set up WhatsApp on your PC or your laptop. Many users I ask why you wanna have WhatsApp on your desktop or your laptop. As I said, you can, if you have many medias like say music or videos from your PC or from your laptops, just say from your PC, and you want to send it to a particular user, what WhatsApp on your desktop allows or on your laptop allows is for you to be able to send that media to different persons. So you can see basically it's installing. This is the installation process. I love WhatsApp installation process. It's very cool, it's very beautiful. So the WhatsApp app is being installed. So we'll wait for this installation process to be completed. So as you can see, this is the WhatsApp interface, or the WhatsApp welcome face. This would be the WhatsApp welcoming page, sorry. So it's important to read the instruction to use WhatsApp on your computer. Open WhatsApp on your phone. So you're going to your phone, you're going to type menu, and menu can be identified by this 1, 2, 3 dots. This is how you find your menu. So you're opening your phone and you're looking for this icon here, the menu icon. Then you go to settings, which is this icon, and what you're going to select is WhatsApp web. This is very important. So when you select WhatsApp web, what you're going to do, you will see a square screen, a square like a square is on that screen, and what you would do is point your phone to the screen to capture the code. So when that opens, so when you get your phone and you see that square, what it wants is for you to capture this code right here. This code is what allows you to log on, I hope you hear this, or to keep you signed in into WhatsApp. So I'm going to do that right now with my phone. I'm going to my phone, I am going to see menu as I see, and I'm going into settings, which will come up, and then I see WhatsApp web, and then I scan. Voila! And as soon as you scan, it opens up WhatsApp. So this is the end of my video. If you did find it was very informative, press the subscribe button, subscribe to this new channel, and like, and look out for more tech videos to come. Take care guys, and bye bye.